Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Converting a photo to a PDF on your iPhone is a simple process that can be done using the built-in tool available in the photo apps. This feature is useful for sharing documents, preserving images in a format that is easy to view and print, or for organizing your files. Here's how you can convert a photo to a PDF. The first step is to open the photo apps. Start by launching the photo app on your iPhone, then you select the photo. Browse through the photo library and select the photo you want to convert to PDF. The next step is to share the photo. Tap the share button and export it to the WPS office. In the WPS office, you have the option to share it and you can share as file. Share as file and save it to your phone. And that's it guys, you have now successfully converted your photo to a PDF using your iPhone. This method is effective and makes it easy to manage and share your image in a widely accepted format. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.